Hey guys, I'm Thomas.
And I'm Melissa.
And welcome to Home on the Hitch. We travel around in our RV trying to find ways to make every moment count.
Because tomorrow is not guaranteed. So if this sounds like you or you're interested in RV travel,
hang out with us for a little bit and let's answer some questions for you. Today, we're at the RV1 Superstore in Tampa, Florida. Going to be looking at some awesome units, so stick around. All right guys, so this is a 2022 Paradigm by Alliance RV. It is a 385 FL and it is beautiful. All right, so we're going to start up front like we usually do. The Rotoflex adjustable pivoting pin box. Right underneath, you have your compartment. Put your generator. Got cutouts in the floor there. So that's nice, and this is a metal box right there for it. Off to the side here, gonna be all your pump and hydraulic stuff for the hydraulic leveling. It's like you got a pure sine 2000 watt inverter right there already. I don't have any batteries hooked up yet in this unit. This is a nice big compartment, but the one thing I don't like about this unit, I don't know if you can tell, but this is like super thin right here. Come on guys, y'all building a really nice product right here. Go ahead and put the thicker baggage door on the front. I don't know why you wouldn't do that. You've got 1, 2 slides on this side. This first slide that's going to be for the in the front living area is Schwintek. That second slide down there looks like it's rack and pinion. All the slides have got slide toppers already there, so that's nice. Standard Lippert leveling controls right here. This is manufactured by Alliance RV with a gross vehicle weight rating of 16,800 pounds. Let's see. And the weight of cargo should never exceed 2,061 pounds. So it's got a good bit of cargo, not like excessive amount, but it's got a good bit. Not like you'd find in a toy hauler, but that's not what it's for. So really cool. So I don't know if you caught that or not, but that is a motion activated light. So when I opened the door, the light came on, and that's a very thoughtful touch. Now you can see what I mean. This baggage door right here is twice the thickness of the one in the front. I just wish they would put a thicker, more insulated heavy-duty door on the front as well. This goes into that front compartment as well. That's where your propane is, and it's small too. And I guess that's because that's probably not a climate-controlled compartment, but just for strength and durability. Got the Nautilus water control system there. It's not a separate area. I don't like that. But it is not carpet on the bottom. It's a linoleum. So I guess that's a little better, but I prefer for these areas to be cordoned off as far as water. So if you have an accident, it's not running all over your stuff. But really nice on this side over here. Large amount of storage. Let's close that off. There's the back of your water heater and your furnace. Now this slide right here, as I said, is a rack and pinion. Move down through here. It's your 50 amp. It's your leveling jack back there. Apologize for the road noise. We are right next to the interstate. And sewer hose storage and drain output. So check this out though. Let's open this up. It's going to have a elevated rear because of the garage space that is underneath, and it's just massive, man. It is huge. Two doors on each side. Check this out. Let's get in here. Wow. You see all the aluminum framing. Crazy, man. The amount of storage in this compartment is just absolutely crazy. I like the fact that it's got, look, in the plumbing pipes here, you got drains, clean out valves where you can get to them, snake points if you need them. That is the back of this beautiful fifth wheel. And yes, that is a very nice slide. This is heaven on earth for me, man. I love this thing. Wow, I love this thing. I mean, this is crazy. The storage in this RV is amazing. That might be because we don't have any in ours at all, hardly, but on this side. Now those three doors, the two on the other side and this one, magnetic catches. This one is underneath the slide, so it has the shocks. Inside, you've got, looks like you've got your wine guard connection, as well as cable and satellite for outdoor TVs. Outdoor speakers, check it out. Asdale construction, don't have to worry about the sidewalls, love it. And it's got a warranty for full-time RVing. All right, so one thing that I have to say that I really don't like about this RV is the tires. Alliance, you are building a beautiful fifth wheel. I love this entire unit, almost 100%. But you're building this gorgeous fifth wheel and you're putting Westlake tires on it. I know they're G-rated tires, but they're still Westlake tires. And this sticker right here is gonna detail the suspension. You're gonna deal with the Super G rated tires, albeit they are Westlake's. 7,000 pound axles, 4,000 pound leaf springs, and the CRE3000. Already comes with the wet bolts installed. Thank you very much. You went to all that trouble to put the CRE3000 and the wet bolts and the axles and the higher rated springs, but you're gonna put Westlake tires on. Otherwise, I absolutely love this unit. This slide over here, Schwintech, again, it's got the topper on top, but it also has a separate awning that comes out and covers that entire slide. Then, oh, and that awning actually goes all the way to the end of the RV. Same thing on these slides. This is rack and pinion. That one down there is a Schwintech. Toppers on both. We've got another awning, Solar Power awning, that's going to come out and cover this slide. So you've got probably greater than 2/3 of the RV covered by slide, or excuse me, covered by awnings. I don't know how I feel about the slide toppers on RVs. I think that they're a great idea. I've heard a lot of people say that they have issues with them collecting water and leaves, things like that, and failing and causing water to run back into the RV. If you've got slide toppers, let me know what you think about them. The other side of this front storage, very good. Very nice. See the framing? Got a good 101 inch wide body unit. Solid steps by Lippert. Hey,
Hi,
babe.
guys. Welcome home.
Yeah,
this place is amazing. It could actually, you know, be a full-time trailer. All right, so let's start in the kitchen. So I love the solid surfaces that they have, and there's extra counter space, so you really have a lot of room in this kitchen. There's lots of things that I love about this camper. Very, very few things that I hate. Okay, so I love the residential stove and oven. It's big enough for a turkey. Micro convection oven, deep sink. The the slide is flat so that you don't stump your toes. This is dishwasher prepped also, so you could have a dishwasher in here. With the slides closed, there are 5 slides in this unit, so with the slides closed, you would be able to access the refrigerator and what you might think is the pantry.
What's in the pantry?
This is...
It's a pooper.
This is another thing that I love. You have 2 toilets.
Oh, yes. Beautiful.
Yeah, I love the idea of having two bathrooms.
Very nice. Yeah, so that's just right inside the door.
All right. So then the dinette is also flat for the slide, so that there's no stumping your toes. I'm just not a fan of these tables. Yeah. That's one thing I don't really like about this unit is the table. They chose to do this weird live edge thing, and you have no options to move it sideways or around. You know, I don't really care for that. I do love that both steps that step up to the bedroom and the living room has the shoe storage. Yeah, so that makes a big difference. And then there are the blackout pool shades throughout the unit. So it's a really nice big entertainment area. You could do yoga in here. You could blow up you could put the kids down on the floor to watch TV for a movie. These 2 couches do fold out into beds, and then you've got an electric sofa recliner.
Really nice.
Lots and lots of space up here. This is really nice, and it's open. This, of course, we're in Florida with this one, so it has 3 units, 3 air conditioning units.
So what is the so that sticker there underneath?
Oh, it has pull-out hidden storage.
Oh, the whole thing pulls out.
Yeah, it pulls out, and then you have a small drawer that you could, you know.
That's really nice.
Oh, and it has that Tuffix vinyl that's super easy to clean.
All right, what we got back here? Oh, that's nice.
Oh, the refrigerator is gorgeous. It's huge, very deep, and I love that it has a drawer freezer on the bottom. I like the freezer on the bottom.
Yeah.
And this is much easier to use than the one that we have at home.
Yes. I love the cabinet colors.
The cabinets
and
are
contrasting with like the kitchen cabinets are this color, and then that color of those doors.
And they do that throughout the whole rig. Yeah. So they kind of swap back and forth and incorporate it together, which is really, really nice. This is some great storage up here, and this is why you have a tall husband.
That's right.
When you're a short lady.
You can get things. I can get things.
And then this is kind of deceiving. You think you got a lot here?
Oh!
But you can access your generator.
Oh, is that a generator?
Uh-huh. It is.
Okay. Cool.
In the hallway here, you have your control panel, and this rig is smart wired, so it has Wi-Fi already built in and
color-coded wires.
Oh, that's amazing. Lots of USB ports throughout for charging.
All right, dear.
All right, so as we step up to the bedroom, it has a bench seat in here with storage underneath. It has lots of drawers. I love this little hidden space that they put in the top of the dressers. Yeah. King size bed with nightstands and USBs on both sides. So that's really convenient.
That's kind of weird.
Well, I mean, you could like put stuff up there to charge, maybe.
Yeah, well, yeah. I don't know.
Your CPAP machine.
I guess that's probably what that's for. Yeah.
CPAP machine spot. Okay, so this has a lot of closet space in it. Also, a lot of wardrobe hanging space. You have 2 that are designated for hanging, and then the main closet over here, you could have a giant hanging wardrobe, or you could put your washer and dryer in there. It's already prepped for that too. Okay, last thing that I love about this place is the bathroom. All right, so in the bathroom you have your second hanging space here, which is super deep.
Wow.
And then you have this closet that is prepped for your washer dryer.
Okay, that's a nice place for the washer dryer.
Yeah. I'm still not a fan of wallpaper choices that.
Yeah. You can change that.
Right. All right, so then you have this bathroom, which is pretty cool. It has a seat in the shower with glass doors. That is not real tile. It is just laminated.
Yeah, but it looks nice.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Really big skylight in there. I like that they put a hanger in there for your soap and shampoo.
Yeah, that's nice. Yeah.
So there's lots and lots of storage in here.
Lots of room in the shower.
Prime pooping position,
Yeah,
as Matt would say. Yeah. So we thought we might get to see Matt for Matt's
I don't know.
RV
They said he was here somewhere, but we
reviews.
haven't seen him yet. So again, guys, this is the it's a 2021. Excuse me, I said 2022, but it's a 2021 Alliance 385 FL. So they've got that here for $98.9 at RV1 Superstore in Tampa. Alright guys, so that's going to do it for this one. I hope you enjoyed this rig. We really like these Paradines by Alliance. If you ever get a chance to go in one, check it out, please do. I could definitely see us getting something like this in the future. I don't know.
Right. And this is perfect for the full-time RV living.
Oh, and it's got, and it's,
right.
Like I said, outside when we looked at it, it's got the full-time living warranty as well, sticker on the door. So. All right, so that's going to do it for this one, guys. Until next time, take care of each other.
Love each other.
Make every moment count. We'll see you next time, guys.
Bye.